My name is Kinesh Rajyaguru. I will be teaching you moral science. So let's start with the chapter 1. Chapter 1. You didn't call me. See, there is a character named Jai. He used to play with his friend. He really liked to play with his friend. His friend also liked to play with him. So he and his friend used to play either in the roadside or in the courtyard of the Jai house. Jai house was really big and had a very beautiful courtyard. His courtyard was very neat and tidy. See, the first image is of the roadside and the another is the courtyard of the Jai house. So they used to play every day, and Jai used to make all the arrangement before the playing. And so one day Jai arrived early, and what he sees the big stone in the center of the ground. Now he became upset. He tried to push the stone, but he failed. He tried harder and harder, but he failed. He was unsuccessful. So now he took the stick and tried to roll over the stone, but he failed again. So now he became really stressful. His frustration grew, and then he started crying. He cried aloud in the center of the ground, and his father heard his crying, came to Jai and asked, "What happened, son? Why are you crying?" His son replied. So Jai replied, "There is a stone in the middle of the ground." His father said, "Oh, then remove the stone. Then you can play." Then his son said, "I tried everything. I tried really hard to get rid of this stone." Then his father said, "Oh, that's the matter. You haven't tried everything. You haven't tried everything to get rid of the stone." His son said, "No, I tried everything." His father said, "Oh, you didn't call me. You should have called me. I could have helped you." And by saying this, his father removed the stone from the ground. See, here is the story of praying. Children, you can pray and you can get the help of the God. As a children, you can do many things. You can tell some of the things you can do. Yes, we can do many things. There are some things we cannot do by ourselves, like teaching ourselves. We can't teach. There is a teacher for that. For the doctor, there are doctors for that. People think that they have the power over money. They can gain everything, but that is not true. We need the help of the God. Have you ever seen the dollar note? See, we have a rupee in the India, but in the America they have the dollar note. You know what has written in the dollar stone? In God we trust. That means it is not money, but the God who can help us. You might be praying at home every day. Many of us have prayer room in your house. Our parents and grandparents also pray. So let us also pray. God likes the prayer of the children. Let us always start our prayer by thanking God. He is our creator. He has given us good parents. He has given us healthy life. And before we go to sleep, we should thank Him for all the good things that happened on that day and ask for the help during the night so that we can have safe and sound sleep. In the morning, we should thank Him for keeping us safe in the night, for allowing us to see another morning. We should also pray for the success of all our activities during the day. Always pray to the God. Thank you. All the question and the answer are given in the PDF. So get through it, but first of all, try it yourself. Thank you.